Hey guys, I'm back with another easy peasy recipe, and this time we are going to make Kerala banana chips. So let's get started. To make Kerala chips, we need to use unripe bananas. Here I am using 1 kg unripe bananas. Take a bowl of water and in that add in 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Take the bananas and cut off the bottom and top portions like this. Before peeling off the skin, rub some oil onto your palm so that you can avoid the stickiness and discoloration. Take the banana and make a slight cut on the skin and peel it off like this. And then place the peeled bananas in water. I'll show you once more. Make a mark in the middle, insert your thumb and peel off the skin like this. And let this soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the bananas out and let it drain. Now we need to cut these bananas into thin slices. You can use a slicer or you can use a food processor. I am using a food processor. Now we are going to fry the bananas. For that, take a vessel and pour some oil. You can use coconut oil or even sunflower oil, but I prefer to use coconut oil. Meanwhile, take one bowl and add 1 cup of water along with 3 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Also make a bowl ready to keep the fried bananas. Keep the flame set to the highest level. First check if the oil is hot enough. And now the oil is hot enough and all the bananas are ready to go in. Keep frying for a few minutes. Once the bananas become crisp, we need to add in the salt water. This will ensure that the bananas get coated with salt nicely. And once the sizzling sound stops, the bananas are ready to be taken out. And our yummy Kerala banana chips is ready. Thanks for watching.